Yo, we're back. Third video in 4 days, so this is unheard of on this channel. Yeah, I recorded this morning, spent about 5-10 minutes talking, and after finishing recording, realized that the mic wasn't working. I think some of the software updated, so it I needed to like reset like the mic, which is brilliant. Can't really remember what I said because it was also unprepped, but we move. Yeah, obviously last video was talking about the type of stuff I want to be doing, and this one is just narrowing that down a bit. Obviously wealth tax is the name, and yeah, I guess just thinking on it. Obviously the videos and sort of whatever I'm learning and sort of presenting that on here is a good thing, but I'm also kind of like it would be good to do something sort of tangible, like I don't know, actually I guess I was just looking into it yesterday, and it'd be good to do. Obviously this is a humongous task, and it will take, I mean, it needs to get passed as like a bill first or whatever, like the UK government, so it's not there are many hurdles, and I guess obviously Gary's economics sort of realizing that the first thing is getting everyone on board, like the public, so yeah. But apart from that, even from like if they were going to actually implement this sort of perspective, it would be good to be a part of, like, like if I could do one small thing in the whole ginormous like process, that would be cool. Always been interested in starting a business, etc. And yeah, I guess it would just be cool to, or it doesn't need to be my own business or whatever. It could just be sort of creating something that helps with the whole like in the minute sense, like with the whole process, like a small product or whatever. I don't know. I know, like, always been curious about the idea of sort of machine learning, and I'm not gonna throw out the name because it's such a buzzword now, but it begins with an A and ends with an I. But yeah. So, and also obviously kind of through my own work, a lot of what we do day to day, not even realizing it necessarily, is sort of like econometrics based, and I feel like a lot of it is finding statistics that people don't even look at, and yeah, there's definitely, I don't know, there's something there, whether it's I feel like obviously using Python as well is like sort of it is a sort of at the forefront of data analysis, etc., in terms of like programming languages. So it would be cool, I don't know, it would be cool to explore that as well. But yeah, it would be not only to just like be passing on sort of learning, but also maybe take you along sort of testing, some sort of kind of, I guess, narrowing down some sort of idea, that can help with this like sort of ginormous task, and yeah, it would just be good to see how that unfolds for me as much as anyone else. Also, yeah, I guess, I don't know, who knows, wealth tax might not be the thing that I'm going down, but it's I've got other things going on in my life. I mean, goddamn, like the biggest thing's probably my physio, really random, but yeah, pulled a muscle in my neck a year ago and it's still not healed. I don't know, pulled the muscles maybe like sort of playing it down. I feel like I've tore every like fucking thing on my back and neck, but yeah, yeah, so we'll see. But yeah, I guess just this is more of an update sort of thing, almost like a log, I would say. I feel like it's like Interstellar or something, and yeah, just kind of keeping myself on track. I feel like I've building up some momentum, You know what I mean? So yeah, can't remember what I said in this last recording because it was this morning. Also, even immediately after I'd done it, I couldn't remember. But I feel like maybe this was slightly more on point, this version, so it was probably a good thing in the end. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there, and yeah, in the next one, hopefully I'll be more prepped and I can kind of sort of actually pass some value on. This is more just getting into a routine, I feel like. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.